Can ChatGPT replace Google search? A question that might seem like science fiction for some. It's a world where technology progression has left us in awe, with AI and machine learning at the forefront. This fast-paced change has made what seemed impossible a reality. We're living in an era where machines have started to emulate human thinking. It's no longer fiction, but a tangible reality. The sophistication of these technologies is mind-boggling, leaving us to wonder about their potential. With ChatGPT, a system capable of such sophistication, the idea of it challenging Google search seems less far-fetched. Hence, it's a question worth exploring. Consider Google search, our default destination for every question that enters our thoughts. It is not just a search engine, it's an ally, a confidant in this digital era. An encyclopedia, a weather forecaster, a scientific journal, Google search wears many hats, all with unparalleled ease. It epitomizes the wonders of our digital age, indexing the boundless web in mere seconds. This digital marvel scours the internet, a universe of pages, files, and data with one sole aim: to deliver the most pertinent information. The efficiency operation is a spectacle, an act that happens faster than the blink of an eye. Its task? Filtering through the vast ocean of data like a sieve to present to you the information most relevant to your query. It transforms the chaotic web into an ordered repository of knowledge. This magic happens in the blink of an eye. It combs through an onslaught of information, presenting only the most relevant. Visualize an entirely unique tool, ChatGPT, a groundbreaking product of OpenAI. Beyond the ordinary, this language prediction model revolutionizes technology. Abandoning the common method of presenting numerous links, ChatGPT carves its own trail, treating users to a tailored experience. It immerses you in a conversation, crafting a dialogue indistinguishable from human interaction. You pose a question, it responds with unmatched precision, blurring the line between artificial human responses. It excels at simplifying complex matters, making comprehension effortless for users. It acts not just as a tool, but a mentor, unraveling complex ideas. This unique ability turns it into a learning dynamo. This model is an expert at decomposing multifaceted subjects and conveying them in the simplest terms. Its distinct ability to demystify complex concepts makes it a potent tool for acquiring knowledge and comprehending new concepts. While both tools have their unique strengths, they also have some stark contrasts. The first tool we're comparing is the Google search engine, a digital powerhouse renowned for its vast and diverse resource pool. It operates as an extensive digital library, an information treasure trove that's always available. Google search enables immersion into a sea of sources, providing you the freedom to forge your insights. Despite the overwhelming volume of information, the tool fosters exploration of multiple perspectives on any topic. This requires you to sift through a vast sea of data to find what's most relevant, however. On the other hand, we have ChatGPT offering a more streamlined and interactive user experience. Differing from Google search's data abundance, ChatGPT engages you in conversation. It comprehends the context of your query, providing relevant and nuanced responses. It makes searching for information interactive, engaging, and personalized. ChatGPT employs machine learning algorithms to understand and respond to your inquiries. It's worth noting that its knowledge is confined to its training data. It doesn't have real-time information access or the ability to pull data instantly from the web. Its responses are based on its existing knowledge, which it uses to give contextually appropriate responses. Unlike Google search that can access the latest web data, ChatGPT's responses stem from the pre-existing knowledge it's been trained on. While its responses can be contextually nuanced and interactive, offering a personalized user experience, it may not always provide the most up-to-date information. Google search could be more reliable for the latest, most current information. Therefore, while its responses can be contextually nuanced and interactive, it may not be the best tool for obtaining the most current information. Can ChatGPT replace Google search? Certainly, it's an intriguing query. As technology evolves, the concept of ChatGPT taking over isn't far-fetched. ChatGPT presents an interactive approach to information retrieval. Instead of a standard search bar, it fosters dialogue, providing immediate responses. It offers a more humanized information-finding experience. But Google Search, with its vast resources, caters to a broad range of users. Particularly favored by researchers for its extensive results, Google Search commands the information retrieval field. ChatGPT, though faster and interactive, might not yet outrank Google Search in terms of comprehensiveness and diversity. So, Google Search might still hold the upper hand. But who's to say these two titans of knowledge can't exist harmoniously? Google Search and ChatGPT, each distinctive, can complement each other. Google, the data giant, provides widespread information. ChatGPT, on the other hand, adds a conversational touch, offering interactive dialogues. It's like an encyclopedia meeting a personal tutor, both valuable but unique. Google offers swift, complete data, while ChatGPT presents deep, interactive discussions. Together, they form a potent mix that's both broad and intricate. A promising alliance indeed. Ultimately, Google Search could deliver the expansiveness of information, while ChatGPT could present the intricacy of interaction. In conclusion, Google Search and ChatGPT are both formidable platforms in their respective fields. Google Search, the reigning titan of search engine technology, is renowned for its ability to swiftly present users with thorough and relevant information. On the other hand, ChatGPT, an innovation from OpenAI, is a tool that simulates human-like conversation. Its strength lies in engaging users in detailed discussions, providing context-dependent responses. Both have unique benefits, but it appears improbable that ChatGPT will fully replace Google Search. Instead, it might offer a fresh method to access and comprehend information. Thereby, the next time you find yourself pondering a question, you might want to consider not only what to ask, but also who, or more precisely, what to ask. Will it be the comprehensive knowledge repository that Google Search offers, or the interactive expertise of ChatGPT? The choice is yours. VoiceOver. And that's a wrap on our comparison of Google Search and ChatGPT. We hope this video has given you a fresh perspective on these two platforms. So go ahead, explore both tools, and see which one works best for you. Remember, it's not about replacing one with the other, but rather understanding how each can enhance your online experience. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video informative and interesting, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content that dives deep into the world of technology and its fascinating developments. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Remember, every question you ask is a step towards knowledge, so keep those questions coming and never stop learning. Yeah.